Who's ready for some end of summer thrifting in Italy? Today we're at a vintage shop in Como. I'll put their info in the description below. And boy, do we have a haul to show you at the end of this video. This shop has a little bit of everything. They always have a big selection of glasses, dishes, and kitchen items, as well as chandeliers and tons of baskets. Today, there were a few nice choices for tables, chairs, dressers, etc., and some interesting paintings. There is an entire upper floor of fashion that we just didn't have time to get to today. And there's also an entire giant section of kids' things. The prices here are generally a bit better than you will find in the center of Milan. In general, vintage shops in smaller towns will have better prices. These gold ceiling lamps from the 70s were so interesting. The bubbles in the glass give them almost a jellyfish look. If you're enjoying this video, please give a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get an alert when new videos are posted. It's about every week and a half, but not on specific days, so the bell is the only way that you'll know. Boy, do we have a haul for you today. Last time, nothing. This time, seems like we bought just about everything in the store. So, the first thing we bought, my favorite, watercolor. Let's see if I can show it to you without reflecting too much. It shows Paris. And do I need more art? No, like a hole in the head. We need more art in this little house, but I loved it. It's Paris. Look at this beautiful frame. Sorry about the reflections. Look at that, the grayish blue with the gold. I love it. And it is ink and watercolor. It looks like it's had some water damage here on the back, you can see. And so I think we need to have it reframed in the same frame, but add a mat and center it. It's like a little bit to one side, and that makes me insane. So we will have it fixed within its cute frame, see if there's any damage inside, and so happy with it. 35 euros. The guy would not come down in price, but that's okay. I love it. So cute. So the second thing we bought is something that Francesco had to have for his desk. A tiny little Mars Stettler box. Really cute coloration on that. Look at that. And with the papers inside, how amazing are those? He's gonna put a special pen in this on his desk. Come on, where do the papers come up? Oh, there it is. So cute. This was, I believe, 7 euros, 7 or 8. Oy. So cute. Is that one. The third thing we bought, nautical. Are you surprised? You shouldn't be surprised. We have a few other plates like this one that are different ships. This one says Ragnar Goleta Svedese, Viking 1916 is the ship. I bet it's not the plate, but the ship. So, very happy with that for only 4 euros. Come on. The next thing that we bought is this adorable little rustic sewing box. Cute little feet on the bottom. Come on, I think this handle's bamboo. And inside, this is for my skeleton key collection. The biggest and most special one is this. Look at that, has a number 3 on it. Adorable. If you watch Brocante and Bergamot, as you should, it's really interesting. A couple weeks ago, they were talking about skeleton keys with numbers like this. So there you go. It's my favorite one. So I was like, yay. And this was 7 euros. So that is a very good deal. And we have many, many more thrifting videos like this one. Check out our playlist right here. And thanks so much for shopping with me today.